Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here to the security section. Just then tap on the SIM pin, and to set up the SIM pin code click once on the switcher and here enter the pin code. In my case that will be from 1 to 4. Now just click to OK, and as can you see we just successfully activate the SIM pin code on our HUAWEI P50 Pocket. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.